versus the Eugenie Young moving up on the odds now is Airborne Magic. Airborne Magic, Eugenie Young is running by the row. Racing in fourth position is Magato alongside Real Flames. Airborne Magic, Eugenie is running by the row second. Magato, Real Flames on the outside for Young putting Biaya in six. Seven is Messi running by the row. Hook shot, Kid Benji, Wobble Duck. And trailing the group is Arizopova. Eugenie takes the lead. Airborne Magic on the outside. Second, racing now in third, Real Flames. Young in fourth, Magato. Here comes Messi. Also moving up. Kid Benji comes next. Putting Biaya. Oh, Duck also coming closer. Eugenie. Airborne Magic moving up now is Messi to take the lead. Messi takes the lead now by about 2 lengths. Eugenie, Kid Benji, wow, Duck putting Biaya as they come to the last of the day. Messi, Eugenie, Kid Benji putting Biaya. Wow, Duck, moving up by the leader. Messi, Ares of Hope moves up. And finally, Ares of Hope, Messi, Kid Benji, wow, Duck, Eugenie.
Deado na naman tayo. Deado na naman. Hindi po Limano nanalo din sa race 5. But it's number 1, Ares of Hope. Swak sa balya. Okay, gandang karera. Sa segundo, si Messi.